back to my channel. In today's video I am doing a like Halloween neon skull look. Granted, I already look like I'm dying, so that's good. Like literally I look like I'm dead, so you know, we're already on that level. Anyways, let's get this going. So yeah, I've been super excited about all this neon makeup coming out. It is so pretty and fun. And then I got like my little Day of the Dead skulls on my shirt, even though, you know, it's a totally different holiday, but it's okay. I'm a rock it anyways, like it's the same thing. Okay, so first, I don't know what to start with. My eyes, my nose, my mouth. Let's start with my mouth, since that's gonna be the craziest. I'm gonna use a liquid eyeliner from my lips to kind of make the teeth, I guess. So we're gonna start with that. I'm just gonna do the center line, and then we're gonna do like the in between so that they're separated. So that's them so far. Okay, so that's my mouth. It looks crazy. So these are my teeth. I'm gonna draw my nose thing real quick, actually, with this. So that's it so far. I'm a little whack, not gonna lie. So I'm gonna be going in with this, the Fierce by Nature palette from Morphe, because it has a lot of really bomb neon colors in it. So I'm gonna do my nose first, I think, just so it is nice and black. Okay, so we have a black nose now. Starting to look even more dead than I already do. Next, we need our cheeks. I'm going to take this liquid liner again real quick and kind of define this a little. Super long. And then I'm just gonna make this part a little less dark. Now we do this to the other side. And then again, take the liquid and draw a little lines. And then we're gonna fill this in nice and dark all through the back. Okay. Now that we're all blackified, I'm gonna go in with, we're gonna take a neon pink and just kind of like put it all around, all through here. We got some neon going all through here. Alright, we're turning pink now. The next color that I'm going to use is some green. I'm gonna put it in our teeth. Neon. I'm gonna do it closer to this pink. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with kind of like an orangey color. And then we're gonna go in with kind of an in-between of pink and an orangey neon color. We got a piercing in the way. I'm starting to look a little bit crazy. Okay, next, our last neon color is going to be this different orange. And now, oh no, it's crazy looking. Okay, so what I'm going to do is kind of buff these up weirdly looking. Kind of mix it more into this. I'm looking crazy. It's official. Okay, now my eyeballs. Need something crazy. I made these way too long, but it's okay. Now, I don't know what to put on my eyeballs. Maybe the green will look cool. That is green so far. And then I'm going to take, I think, the hot pink. We're just gonna go real crazy with this look. Kind of on the lid and blending into the crease. Alright, pink so far. It looks cool so far. We need to blend you a little more round. Okay, now I guess I should make them a little bit more into the rounding because technically we gotta make some sockets, neon sockets. Bring it under the pink a little bit with the green. Do the inner corner with the green. We can shape it up a little bit towards the brow bone. Kind of get like the full socket effect. Now, I'm gonna go in with the eyeliner again on my eyes. And do some like baby wings real quick for the eyelashes. Turning into like a fashion skull a little bit. It's like looking. Now I'm gonna put on some mascara. I didn't see a lot of like green neon skulls, so I was like, let's just put a whole bunch of green in my face. Why not? Look like a freaking watermelon. I swear, green and pink will forever remind me of a watermelon. No matter what I do. I'm gonna put these eyelashes on, but first I'm gonna give myself some sparkly gold teeth. That was a little touch of crazy I needed. I really like this color. It's like so pretty. So I'm just adding a little more intensity to some of these. That's bomb. Okay, now we can put on our eyelashes. Alright guys, so this is my final look. I'll take off my ears. So I'm not a cat skull. And this is my neon skull. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I like the teeth. They're really crazy. Like, they threw the whole look kind of together. I almost wonder if maybe I should do like all hot pink, like all crazy. I feel like that might be too much though. There's already a lot going on, like all the way down, like hot pink. Possibilities are endless. But I'm not gonna do it just in case it goes a little too crazy and doesn't look so great. But yeah, so this is my neon Halloween skull look for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you do this look for Halloween, let me know below. That'd be really cool to be a crazy neon looking dead skull thing with watermelon eyeballs, you know, and like coppery golden sparkly teeth, you know, bomb. But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to, and I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Bye guys!